What is up, guys? Welcome to a quick episode here of the Budding Watch Enthusiast. I've been trying to do my unboxings through Instagram Live lately, and then kind of move them onto the YouTube channel from there. That has not been going very well, partly because the image quality on Instagram Live, not the greatest. You don't get the full use of the phone camera resolution that's available. And the other reason, too, is because whether I can export those videos seems to be like a coin flip nowadays for whatever reason, no matter what settings I try. So we're going to go back and do this the old-fashioned way. So a new watch on loan to the channel. This is a newer micro-brand release that I've seen online a little bit, that I was very curious to check out when the opportunity presented itself. So without further ado, let us go ahead and get this thing cracked open. Big thanks to the Winfield Watch Company for sending this watch in to me to check out for the purposes of reviewing it. And yeah, so let's go ahead and crack this guy open. Pretty nondescript white box with the Winfield logo on it. And then inside we have the, and this thing's actually kind of slippery and hard to remove with gloves on. Yips. All right, there we go. So yeah, inside of here is the debut watch from the Winfield Watch Company, and that would be the Winfield Mission Timer 1, which comes in this very nice canvas watch roll. Always a fan of accessories that you can utilize in your collection elsewhere. We also get a NATO strap here as well, included with it. And then here is the watch itself. So obviously a pilot style dial. You do have a countdown unidirectional bezel on the watch as well. Cool to see. I don't think enough companies utilize the countdown bezel quite enough. I think obviously like the Zinn 104 is the most common one that you'll see out there. Nice red seconds hand going around. You do see it ticking. It is a quartz watch. It does have a Ronda quartz movement inside of it. Just, checking out the initial stuff here. Nice little, looks like a bead blasted finish. The Winfield case design on the back here. Let's see here, sapphire crystal on the watch. Really do like the sword style hands that are on here on initial glance. You got a screw down crown. So all in all, like I said, a really cool looking tool watch. From what I understand, this watch was many years in the making. And like I said, finally saw its release quite recently. So again, when the opportunity came up, I was very anxious to check one out. John Keel over on Watch With Us and WatchGaze really likes his quite a bit. He posted a video when he got his in, and he was digging it quite a lot. So let's go ahead and let me pop it on my wrist so we can see how this watch wears for the massively wristed among us. So yeah, there we go. Pretty well proportioned watch. I think it fits rather nicely on my, again, large 8-inch wrist. I actually really do like the leather strap too for the accent stitching that's on it, both at the top and there's the very end of the tail here, which the keeper is covering. You get the little red triangle as well. Big tang buckle as well on this thing. So again, very, very tool aesthetic for this watch. I think it looks pretty good. Again, looking forward to getting to spend some time with the Mission Timer 1 from Winfield. We'll go ahead and get that bezel straightened out there. But yeah, so that's what it looks like again on my 8-inch wrist. So there you go. Like I said, very initial out-of-the-box impressions here with the Mission Timer 1, a watch that again I'm looking forward to spending some time with here in the coming days and possibly weeks as well. So look forward down the road to the full review on this watch that we'll be seeing on the channel. So that's it for this unboxing video. Thank you guys very much for watching. Again, like it, subscribe, do all that cool stuff that YouTubers ask you to do at the end of their videos, and then I will see you all the next time.